California Prop 65 warning. They put that on everything, man. It's probably on your Burger King.
MoeTheDriver.
Yeah. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Guess what I have today? I have the springs and retainers. Yeah, that's what they're called. So we went with the, what do they call it? GSC springs and retainers. They're supposed to be pretty good. They're supposed to be exactly what I need. Ugh. Yeah. That's B-roll. Yeah. Anyway, I have everything I need. So unbox these springs and retainers and take a look at them, and then we'll send them down to the engine builder. Bam. All right, look at that. We have the GSC Power Division, of course. Oh, we got the single valve spring kit, the GSC 5744. Get this thing open for you. Boom. Check that out. 15 horsepowers right here. 15 horsepowers. If you don't know about horsepowers, every sticker, 15 horsepower, my friends. All right, look at that. These look pretty springy, don't they? This is the GSC 1855 spring kit, spring set, TVS 1855-8. Of course, there's 8 of them. What do you think? Do they look pretty springy to you? They look pretty springy to me. Yeah, look at that. We have 8. Yep, in each one. All right. So they come in packs of 8. There we go. We have it. We're getting it together, folks. We're getting it together. And here's all the little retainers. There should be plenty of them in there. I'm sure there's enough. A whole set of them. Pretty cool. They actually have GSC logo on them. Anyway, springs and retainers, folks. This is what you guys kept telling me to get. So now I have springs and retainers. They said if you're not going to build the whole head, you have to get springs and retainers or else. That's what I heard. So, there they are. I can't remember exactly how much these were. But, oh, look what we got. California Prop 65 warning. They put that on everything, man. It's probably on your Burger King. It's on everything. We got springs and retainers, pistons and rods, pretty much everything you could think of that you guys have recommended so far. Any other recommendations, just let me know. Put them in the comments right down there. And we'll see, you know, if we can get it and see if we need it or not. But we're getting there. We're getting there, folks. And transmission, I am waiting for a paycheck. Then we're going to get transmission purchased, torque converter purchased, and get all that stuff in the truck. I'm going to start showing you guys some of the truck stuff that I'm going to do when those parts start coming in as well. That way we can actually build the truck. And at the same time, the engine and transmission are getting put together and optimized for the truck. Remember, I'm a driver. I'm not Moe the engine builder. So I don't know a whole lot of stuff about, you know, engine building. That's why I don't build engines. Anyway, hey, I'll see you guys next time. Post everything you got to say in the comments, positive, negative, or otherwise. Post it all, and I reply to everything. I read all my comments, ladies and gentlemen, all of them. See ya.